Okay, and I'm back. And as you can see, we've got a fully duct taped sword. I had done a second strip all the long way along the blade, up and around, back down again. I went ahead and put a small piece across here and then did a couple of wraps along each of the ends here. Before I had done that, I had made a X with the duct tape, just like that there, to cover all that up. And basically, same thing that I did up here, I did down here for the back handle. Now, I wanted to show you one little trick. If you look at the end of that, you can see how that looks very square. It's because of the tape. Now, if we look very closely, I'm hoping you can see this. You can see these little holes that are formed by the tape. So what you do is that you just take a pair of your scissors here, you just go in there, and you just cut. A little thing like that. And then you push down one side like that, you take the second side, move it over, push it down like that, and you see how that rounds off that, see how that rounds off that corner really well? I'm going to do that again because I was probably out of frame for it. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to cut right here. We're going to push this end down here like this and underneath it. And we're going to push this end down and underneath it. You get that nice rounded edge there. Okay. Let's go ahead and do that for the other two as well while I'm here. So we'll cut that. And we'll cut this. And we will round down. And we will round down. There we go. Now again, this is just a quick and dirty way to do it if you don't want to use socks. It's got the duct tape on it. It's gonna thump a little bit harder. Not a lot harder, but the thing is that how hard it thumps is basically how hard you swing. So always be careful, mindful. Make sure you're not hitting people in the head or in other parts that are very dangerous to be hit in. Like I said before, we're here to kill people, not to injure them. Also, there are plenty of online videos out there about how to make weapons. You can learn how to make axes, maces, anything that or figure it out yourself. You know, have fun. That's what this is all about. Anyway, my name is Mensch. I am the Master Crafter of Games Academy, and I hope you have enjoyed these videos. Until next time, I hope to see you in person with our next build.